Okay, first of all, what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that helps us not to repeat the nouns all the time. For example, if I say, Roberto likes to dance, Roberto likes to drink, Roberto is a repetition of the noun. If I say Roberto likes to dance, he likes to drink coffee, he likes to watch TV, he is the pronoun. That helps us not to repeat the noun, okay? First part, subject pronouns. Subject pronouns are the pronouns that we put in the subject position to denominate the person, the place, or the thing that we're talking about. For example, I, you, he, she, it, we, you, or they. And let's make an example. For example, I like to run. He likes to dance. Okay, it goes in the first part, in the part of the subject, and it tells us of what or whom we're talking about. Okay, now let's talk about object pronouns. The object pronouns go in the second part of the sentence, in the predicate, where they tell us what the action is being done or what has been done. Okay, for example, Roberto goes with Roxana. Roberto dances with Pedro. If we don't want to mention Pedro and Roxana, we can say Roberto dances with her. Roberto goes shopping with him. Okay? There is where we change the name, the place, or the thing for an object pronoun. Remember, the object pronouns are listed right here. Okay? Those are the ones that you use in the part of the predicate. Something that we have to be careful with is that with the pronouns, they have to reflect the number or the gender of the noun that we're talking about. For example, I cannot say Roberto runs with Pedro and then change it for Roberto runs with her, because her is for girls and him is for boys. Or if I'm talking in singular, I cannot put an object pronoun that reflects plural nouns. Okay, so we have to be very careful with that. Remember, if you are talking about a boy, use him. If you're talking about a girl, use her in the second part of the sentence, okay? Just be careful with that. And that's all talking about pronouns for now. We talked about subject pronouns and object pronouns. Remember to subscribe and to ring on the bell so you can get all the videos that I upload for your classes. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.